Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. We're back here on this car here, so I just finished soldering the wire. And this one here, so I've got a 991 Mark II there, doing a major service. The other guy is doing it for me. Let's have a look at this. Took me a long time to figure out how to actually make a wiring harness, because the hardest thing is trying to make something that sticks. So it took me a long time to go through my old wiring harness system in the workshop. Finally found a plug for that one there, because there's nothing here anyway. It was missing altogether, pin chopped off, and I couldn't find one for this one here, but I managed to find this one. It's from a different car that I actually done some work on. I went through my collection of the stuff I keep, so I've just cut the housing off like that, chopped it right off, and then now I'm gonna use the wire. I'm gonna use the wire on this one here because it's nice and tight. Let me put it on first and I'll press pause. Alright, there you go. See those wires I was talking about before? This is the one here, so I'll just push those one in, because there's no way. If I had to buy the whole thing, I've got to buy the whole harness from Porsche, and those harness made for the VIN, and you got to buy the whole complete harness for the front end, like this one. So what I'm doing now is just trying to make it work. See, that's the original plug from factory. It's supposed to look like that, and that's the one there. So luckily I found this one on my old 996 harness, so that's gonna go onto this wire here. I want to use those two wire, and then this one here I'm gonna put some silicone inside here. The pins are very tight. See, I can lift the whole thing up like that. That's how tight the pins are. So they're very good connection. So I want to fill it up with silicone to stop the water from getting in, and then solder the rest. As you can see, all my hoses are done for the actual headlight washing system. All there, all the connections done. All here, all there. That's connected. Look at this one here, just flopping around. Now I spend more time trying to fix the whole bar and try to fix the wiring and try to make up the harness. It's just really annoying sometimes when people actually look at this. Oh man! If you don't want to do the job properly, just don't do it all, mate. You're better off just leave it alone. Just give it to someone who loves working on the car to do it properly, to do the job. So it's no point mucking around like this. So I'm hoping I finish this today and then road test tomorrow. But I'm just trying my best to get it done, so I can't really rush. Make sure everything works properly. Now I'm going to use a special glue to glue all this together, and then screw that on, and then glue that as well. Probably on this side here, put some more glue and some screw here to hold it on, otherwise it will just fall off. So, alright, thanks for watching. I'll do a video when everything's plugged in. Make sure the lights work. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.